Hey, what's up, you mother effers? I'm Dane from Easton Fitness coming at you with a Q&A session. I've got some questions here on my phone that I'd like to answer for you. I hope you find enjoyment in this. Question number 3 comes in from Bruce Caldwell, T-Dog's husband. And his question is, how do you prevent senior citizens from getting injuries while deadlifting 445 pounds? So there's a motive behind this question. The other night I deadlifted 435. Bruce is obviously a senior citizen who claims he can deadlift more than me. I call bullshit. But I'll answer the question. For Bruce, in particular, Bruce, if you're listening to this, here's how you do it. Wrap yourself up in like a superhero costume or something like that. Throw a cape on and then keep dreaming. Question number 3, answered.
I love it. And keep dreaming.